Hello foodies! Today we will be making the easiest dessert that you will definitely love. For this recipe, you'll need graham crackers, Oreo cookies, all-purpose cream, and condensed milk. First thing that we need to do is remove the Oreos from its packaging. Next is in a large bowl, combine the all-purpose cream and condensed milk. Then stir it well. You can also use a mixer if you have one. And now we're ready to assemble our dessert. Pour in the liquid mixture first, then place your graham cracker. Then pour another layer of liquid mixture, then place the Oreos. Repeat the first to third layer, then top it off with crushed Oreos. Place it in the freezer and we're done! I hope you give this recipe a try and let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching!